Let's take a look at how easy it is to assemble and reassemble documents in Power PDF. Here we have a single PDF open, a customer presentation. We'll click on Document Assembly on the ribbon bar, and as you can see, we now have an easy to read thumbnail view of all the pages in the document. To rearrange them, we'll simply select a page or range of pages and drag them to the spot where we want them to go. And once we're done, we click the Close button and we'll be back in the full view. We can save the document along with those changes if we choose. So let's now look at the process of document assembly, adding pages from additional documents. With the same document open in Power PDF, we'll switch back to the Document Assembly tab and select Page Assembly. From there we can select another PDF. The additional PDF will also open as thumbnails. So in this case we could just select a single page to drag over and add. But if we want to drag all pages over, we can select them all, and maybe we'll drop them at the end of the document. When we're finished, we can close out of the page assembly mode. And in document assembly mode, we also have many options to extract, insert, rotate, delete, replace, crop, swap and duplicate pages. Now we can go ahead and close the document assembly window. Scrolling through the document, as you can see, we now have those two documents together as one, and we can save it as a new document. If you're interested in learning more about Power PDF and its capabilities, we offer both free to access online learning as well as a wealth of technical videos on the Tungsten Demo Center.